Hello everyone, my name is Mauti and of course you're watching Mauti World Vivo. A little nature walk in 2020. For people who watch me first time, Happy New Year everyone. Hopefully have great year, great start of the year, I should say. But people, little walk on the nature side, you know, it's good to get out from four walls and have little fresh air. It's quite chill, I must say. Only hey, it's how it is. That couple new reviews. Soon it's coming as well on channel Vivo. More than the cook-wise, I think we will make some bread and a couple of other things. From Japan, manches should arrive as well. That yeah, this is a little updating for you as well, people, what's be happened. 2 hours ago used to be beautiful sun, now and it's kind of cloudy and start be a little chill, I must say. At yet we on the Grand Canal. It's not so far from my house that it's every time good to go and to enjoy a little time, you know, and quietness. My people, that I say, hopefully you have a great time, a great start of the new year. We see what 2020 they bring for us. Hopefully good things. That's what I see from news. Not really. Only hey, hopefully everything be good, people. I say that. I think that's it for today. You have a little on the side we have, and of course you have another window, and you can see this real nature at the same time, and Mauti talking to you. But hopefully you enjoy. People say that it's time to finish for me. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you later. Peace.